Brian Gass here at PTPGun.com, and today we're going to show you how to field strip your Taurus Millennium G2C. Now before we take apart any firearm, we need to double check, make sure the firearm is unloaded and clear. So we're going to double check, drop the magazine out, set to the side. Check the chamber's clear, no magazine inserted, we're good to proceed. So we're going to start off by pulling that slide back and then let go. Then we're going to go ahead and pull the trigger. All right. We're going to go ahead and put the nose of the gun into the table, press down a little bit. We're going to pull this tab down. It's on both sides, this side and that side. We're going to pull it down towards the bottom of the gun, lift up, and the slide will come off. From that point, we're done with the frame for field stripping purposes. We're going to take the slide upside down, spring guide. We're going to compress that spring just a little bit. We're going to pull it up and out, set that to the side. Then we're going to take our barrel out, set that to the side as well, and our slide. From here, you can do any type of cleaning and or maintenance that you might need to do to your Millennium G2C. Now let's go ahead and get back into reassembly. We're going to chop that the slide upside down, barrel upside down, chop that in, muzzle first, spring guide. The longer, fatter end goes in first at the muzzle end. We're going to put that in there, compress that spring down just a little bit, and get caught in the bottom of that barrel lug. Now we're going to turn it right side up. We're going to insert this rail. It starts about halfway down the frame. We're going to insert that into the back of the slide. We're going to pull it back all the way and let go. Now the firearm has been field stripped and reassembled, but now we need to move into doing a function check on the firearm to make sure that we put it back together properly. So we're going to go ahead, keep pointing in a safe direction, and we're going to go ahead and pull that slide back and let go, and then pull the trigger. We're going to let go of the trigger, and we're going to repeat that. Pull back, let go, pull the trigger. Now we're going to pull back, let go. We're going to pull the trigger to the rear. We're going to hold the trigger to the rear. We're going to pull that slide back, let go. We're going to release the trigger until we hear and feel that click. Then we're going to pull the trigger again, hold the trigger to the rear. We're going to pull back, let go. We're going to release the trigger again slowly until we hear and feel that click again, and then we're going to release the trigger all the way. For more videos on how to field strip and clean your firearm, go to our channel on YouTube, PTPGun.com, Firearms Training, and hit the subscribe button as we have new videos released each and every Friday for field stripping your firearm. If there's any particular firearms you would like to see done, put them in the comments below, and we'll be sure to get those videos out to you as soon as possible. Also, go to our website, PTPGun.com, where you can pick up various swag, including hoodies, hats, shirts, and decals to support your favorite YouTube channel, PTPGun.com, Firearms Training. Thank you all again, stay safe, and as always, train, defend,